There is these words online now that people who have hustled hard and they made it are supposed to act arrogant in front of other people. Some of the problems we're facing right now in our planet is because of too much competition. They have set us against each other like sheeps, like cockroaches in a bucket to compete with each other and destroy each other. And while we are fighting, things just move forward. You know what business means? I love business. I do a lot of business. But if you really want to think about it, busyness means to be busy all the time. While you're busy, life passes you by. You don't have time for anybody else. And you are constantly working like a slave in hope to get somewhere that a lot of people are that have nothing. The point of business is to make enough to be happy, to provide for yourself, to provide for your family, and to provide for other people who need your help. Competition is good to some degree, but if we are always competing with each other, when are we going to evolve as a society? We need to come together and change this world. Nobody's gonna do it for us. Every century is the same crap as the century before, and nothing has changed. Why don't we cooperate together and make the world a better place? Why do we need to compete so much with each other? What is it that we are looking for in this competition? We all are going to die. Nothing is going to come with you. Why don't we cooperate and make the world a better? Yes, there are some people that are lazy, that they don't want to do anything. Let them be. But at least amongst each other, let's cooperate. I wish you the best.